Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video, I want to talk to you about how you can easily record your Zoom meeting. So let's start. Meeting in Zoom, that's better wording. So you want to start a meeting, and when you start the meeting, then just click here, record. You can join also audio or continue without audio. And if you don't have audio, just join with computer audio, and voila. Then you have an option to stop recording or pause recording. And that's kind of it. Now just stop it. The recorded file will be converted from when the meeting ends. So right now when I can go to here on click meeting, end meeting for all. Okay. And let's go on desktop. Okay. And this should be probably. Oh, here. So yeah. I just added no sound there, but this is how we actually do it. But this is really important. What you want to do is to always add it right. Give me a second. You want to add always the right audio, right? The audio system that you are going to the speakers, whatever you got, headphones. That's what is the most important from this video. Thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.